Hello everyone, I am Monika from IELTS 9. So we are doing this, we are understanding types of IELTS reading test questions, and we will understand each and everything in IELTS reading test questions. Okay, so in first video we have already covered this matching headings. Now in this video we are going to cover locating information, means which section contains the following information. I will show you what is the difference between list of headings and which section contains the following information. Okay, let's start it. And if you want Hindi explanation, then you can go to IELTS 9 Hindi channel. Okay, you can see this list of headings. See this. These are list of headings. This is which section contains the following information, means we are going to find the information. This locating information means these questions are information. We have to find these information into these paragraphs. So A to E paragraph will be there in the passage because they have given instructions, and NB is also given. So let's find the difference first. So here you can see longer sentences are there. Here only the heading kind of thing, means like you have we have reading passages, titles, the name of the titles. Same we have to find here in list of headings. Same we have to find the we have to find the theme of the paragraph, and here we have to find the information in the passage. This is the main difference. Yeah, one more difference is there. So for these list of headings, okay, so list of heading, so they have given you 4 questions. It means that is confirmed for every paragraph you have to give one heading. But here in this it is not confirmed that for 5 paragraphs A to E you will be finding all the information. No, in somewhere in any paragraph you can get 2 information. Suppose second and fourth information you can find it in C paragraph. C in front of second and fourth in answer sheet you will be writing C and C. So it means one paragraph will not be having any answer from these. So this you need to be careful. So let's read one by one. So of course before going to the paragraphs we have to just understand and read and understand and the keywords. Okay, so all we will just read it in one go, and then we will go to paragraphs and then come back to match the keywords as well as some meanings also. So here in first mention of woman, so woman is also a keyword, so instead of woman they can use female also. Participation in surrealism. Okay, so women participation may be there in any paragraph, so this is the keyword. Okay, surrealistic are influenced by Sigmund Freud. Okay, so this is the keyword, this person name, and if these persons are influenced by this person, then definitely this will be the answer in that paragraph. Third one is Max Ernst view on creativity. Some person's name may be there. Okay, Ernst view on creativity. If this person name is there in any paragraph, then try to match his viewpoint regarding creativity. Okay, so creativity also, and this person is also our keyword. Okay, fourth number, the style of surrealism is bizarre. Bizarre is like and weird, like strange, unusual kind of thing is there. Okay, so style of surrealism is bizarre and weird. So style, they may use another word, trending also, trend also. Trend of surrealism may be written, but you may get the same word also. Fifth is the Salvador Dali. Of course, this person name is also keyword. Popularize the surrealism by bringing it into commercial work. So these 2 words are the keywords. If in any paragraph these 2 words are there, now match the meaning also, whether it has popularized the surrealism by bringing it into commercial work. It means 3 words are there. This word, this person name, popularized and commercial works. So these 3 words, if you get it any paragraph, that will be the answer. Now let's go to the paragraph wise. A paragraph. Okay, do it with me. You can easily find the answers. I am showing it in such a way that you can easily get it. So of course, one more thing, whenever you are doing your reading passages, please underline the things and or circle the things or bracket the things, because these keywords it will be helpful in doing another type of question in the same reading passage. One reading passage has two types of IELTS reading questions, or sometimes three, or sometimes four type of reading questions. Okay, now in this reading we are doing first type of reading question. Okay, so here you can read it in 1924. So this is figure kind of, so I will just do underline some like figures and person's name. I am usually doing circle the things, and for any a different kind of thing I am doing underline, and if something is different then definitely I can do this. Okay, but here these are person's name, I will be doing this. So this is the way you can distinguish between your keywords also. Now what they are saying, a small group of writers, artists in Paris founded this realism, which is about tapping the unconscious mind to unlock the power of imagination. You also have to read fastly, otherwise you can't complete your full reading test in 60 minutes. It became an influential movement in the 20th century. Now numbers, this person name and this are some of the popular surrealistic who bring forth surrealism in commercial work. Yes, this name was there and this commercial work was also there. Andre Breton, so this person name wrote in this book that artists and writers should access the unconscious mind to express psychic automatism in its pure state. Okay, now we have got two keywords. Okay, so I will show you. So here, now hopefully you can easily see all the options. So are they talking about women? No. So nothing. Surrealism is, this word will everywhere in every paragraph, because this is the title of the reading passage. So influenced by Sigmund Freud, this person name is also not there. Now here Ernest view on creativity, Max, so this is also not given. The style of surrealism is bizarre and weird, so weird kind of thing is not given. Salvador Dali popularized the surrealism by bringing it into commercial work. So this same sentence, same information is given this. So we will just write in front of question number 5, we will just write A number. Okay, now coming to B number paragraph. Now see this. B number paragraph is there. I am giving you time. Please do it with me. So now I will start read. You can pause the screen and just find the answer. Okay. Now, surrealists disdained rationalism and realism. See, I don't know the meaning of this word because I have heard it, I have just read it first time. I'm reading it first time in my life. Okay, so there may be many words you will come across when you will be doing IELTS reading. So that's a good thing. You are coming up, you are reading new things which they perceived as restrictors of imagination. They are powerfully influenced by Sigmund. Now this person name is there. Here you see this. This who stated that our repressed thoughts and feelings. So repressed thoughts and feelings are embedded in our unconscious mind. Okay. Surrealistic believe that conscious mind repress the power of imagination. Okay. Also influenced by Karl Marx, they thought that unconscious mind reveals internal contradiction in everyday's life which can seed the revolution. Okay. So now what we should decide it for that. Yes, so now they are talking about some repressed feeling, repress word. So can we style of surrealism is bizarre and weird? No, strange and unusual is thing, and here strange and unusual is different thing, but here repression, some negative feelings they are just talking about. Unconscious reveals internal contradiction is also there. It means they are not talking about women, they are not talking, yeah, this person is also there, I understand. Yeah, our surrealists are influenced by, yeah, this, they are powerfully, same thing is there. Okay, yes, now I will go with that only. So with second we will just write here B number. Okay, so I was just trying to get maybe because I don't know the meaning. Suppose you don't know the meaning of this this view on creativity, but creativity word is not there. I was trying to match this and this word, so creativity is not there. So definitely we have found this same information. So realistic, influenced by Sigmund Freud. Okay, now C paragraph. Now C paragraph, read it. Surrealism has shades of Dada, which characterize anti-rationalism. Now anti-rationalism is again Breton relieved that artists can unite to protest by fear actualization, the subconscious mind. Again, they were interested in disclosing the inner worlds of sexuality and violence, and the topic they have touched upon is most transgressive behavior. Auto works in surrealism are mostly in bizarre, and weird fashion. They derived these symbols from their unconscious mind. Now I think they are talking about this fourth number. The style of surrealism is weird. Now where is style? So has shades of this, characterizes anti-realism. So maybe same word they have not, they have even touched most behavior. So the behavior kind of thing is this is style. Artworks is also related to, you can just relate to style. Yeah, so fashion is also style. Okay, so we will just put this fourth number with C number. Okay, now D paragraph, I will just show it to you. See this. Now you can easily see D paragraph. Most often surrealism is identified with a group of men, and this was okay, woman is also there as a cultured. Most identified with a group of men, and this was even envisioned a woman as a cultured, but it is found that women were also part of surrealistic group in 1930s. Some of the famous surrealistics such as this depicted the female. So of course I will not be reading more. So this woman participation in this we have found. So here in first number we will just write here D number. Okay, now coming to E number paragraph. See this E number paragraph is there. So Max Ernst, okay, same word. So okay, a German artist. So I was just thinking that maybe person name. Yes, I was right. So a German artist quoted, creativity is that marvelous, creativity is also there. So I will not be reading furthermore. So I have got the answer. So for third number we will just put E number answer. Okay, so in next video we will be discussing, I will be doing exercise for matching features and this matching sentence ending. Thank you so much.